how you doing? Good morning, or good afternoon, and good evening, because depends on the time that you're watching this video. So guys, it's 6:15 in the morning. I am late. I'm supposed to go to work. I'm supposed to be there by 7. It's 6:15. I'm leaving my place, going to Thika, and then from Thika to my client's place. I'm excited. So today we are going to be doing a day in the life of a makeup artist. Oh my god, I'm excited about this video. So I've carried my makeup in this bag and my filming equipment because nimeona kubeba hiyo box ya makeup is going to be stressful, especially nibebe box, nibebe vitu za filming, nibebe sijui outfits for my client. Nah, it's going to be hectic. So I just decided, because this bag is big enough, I'm going to be carrying everything in this bag, and it's quite comfortable. Lakini kumeanza kunyesha. Oh my god. Sijui nirudi nilale, but I gotta choose the bag. Watu wangu kule. So guys, my client today, River Jordan. So guys, my client today is having a photo shoot for her birthday, and we are going to be having that photo shoot done by Alaika Studios in Thika, but we are doing it as an outdoor shoot. And guess what guys, your girl planned the whole thing. I hope it works out as I want it to. Like, I'm excited because manze, this client, she started working with me kitambo in 2019. Yeah, she started working with me in 2019, and imagine when we met, we just met up at Naivas kwa nini, we met. It's raining, by the way, on a serious note. So we met up on Naivas. Imagine I was going to, alikuwa naenda super na mimi nilikuwa natoka super, so we just met outside there and we talked blah blah blah, and then I plugged myself. And then from that day onwards, she has been my client up until today. Like, yani msichana, oh my god, thank you Hilda, thank you very very much. She has been referring her friends to me. Nikanyeshewa. Guys, wacheni nifike kwa shade and then I continue this vlog. So guys, I'm here, nimefika kwa Hilda, and I'm waiting for her to come and open the gate for me. Akisi nimeka kwa hiyo barabara, I even feel like because 6:15 and sahi ni 7:30 ama ni 7 what? 7:30. Imagine 1 hour and 15 minutes. That's a lot of time considering kwenye nilikuwa natoka si mbali. But the matatu before isimame stage zote na before ijae, oh my god, it was like a lot. But finally I'm here, I'm excited. I hope this day goes as planned. So yep, nilikuwa naambia kuhusu Hilda, like she's been that client mwenye you start with kutoka day 1, and the only time when you have not done her makeup is once when I had a double booking. Okay, yeah, I was not available, so I sent someone to do her makeup. Other than that, she has been an amazing client. So this client is different. Like, it's not always like this with all clients. Ina depend on the kind of client ama how close me na the client tuko. Imagine imebidi we change our photo shoot because we got tumekuwa late kidogo, and the photo shoot was supposed to be 9, but we're going to be doing it in the afternoon, so we have all morning to enjoy and have fun and take reels and do makeup. Oh my god guys. So what I'm trying to kupika huko.
This could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose, but when you talk to me, give me the impression that I won't scratch your surface. And I could walk for days, searching for your praise, but is it even there to find?
So guys, we're here trying to sort out outfits. Trying to sort out outfits and what to wear, what to leave. This is the mess that we have right now. But I'm excited. Isn't it to imagine? Like just shoots and everything. They make me so happy.
This could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose. But when you talk to me, give me the impression that I won't scratch your surface. And I could walk for days, searching for your praise, but is it even there to find? Is there a chance for me to clean your memories? Will I slowly lose my mind? 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 Lost in your maze, stuck in your gaze. How can I get out? I'm out of time to make you mine. Baby, show me how. Will I slowly lose my mind? Will I slowly lose my mind? Will I slowly lose my mind?
Now we are headed to the studio. Tumechelewa na how many hours? 2. But anyway, that looks amazing. Oh my god. I bet I can't wait for you guys to see the photos because hey, msichana ameweza. I cannot be that weird.
This could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose. But when you talk to me, give me the impression that I won't scratch your surface. And I could walk for days, searching for your praise, but is it even there to find? Is there a chance for me